Okay, hey guys, it's me, Lily, and today I'm gonna. Oh, jeez, that's weird. Well, today I'm gonna show y'all how to make your own Pokemon card. So first, what you want to do is you want to, let's say, find, make your own Pokemon card online. You want to find a image you would like to use or a drawing you used, and I'm just going to search, let's say, Charmander. So then once you got that Charmander image that you like, you just need to click on it and leave it there for a sec. I like this one, so let's keep it there. And then what you would do is you would type in create your own. Wait, how do I do that? Pokemon card online. And then you want to press the first one that comes up. See, this is a card that I made earlier. So then, what you want to do is put in that file, or if you let's say, if you chose a picture from online, you just come and drag it over here. And I think you add it right there. Nope. Yes. Never mind. Well, you're supposed to put it in a file. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and add it to the file. Then you go to make and print, press choose file. Then you go to your file, so I'm going to go to this file. Should be in, yep, so it's right here, so you click on it, you press open, and then you press upload. So then you have that there, and then you fill in all this information. You could do that, and then you press publish my card, or you could print it. Well, there's no print button, but you could take it into there and print it. Then when you're done, you just press publish my card. And then it's published. This is an early one I made. This is my actual Pokemon. I named him Rockporn. So his name's Rockporn. The series he is Diamond and Pearl, and he's level X. He's a lightning type, attack 1, electric Fevet. You can't use this for your next turn. Attack 2 is Fever Slap. Flip a coin. If heads, this attack does 30 more damage. And then comments, let's rock and roll. Illustrated by Lily Parker F. I'm not telling you my last name, even though it's on my channel. Then you could press like, and then you're like, wow, this is so amazing. Yup. And yeah, so that's how you make your own Pokemon card. So make sure you like and subscribe. See you all next time. Goodbye.